Hey subbies, I'm here to share with you a snack haul. Here are some of my favorite snacks that I love. And I'm going to be doing these videos every couple of months to share with you some of my new favorite snacks. Let's get started. The first thing I have is some Wendy's Baconator chips. These are delicious. These are some rotisserie chicken Pringles. They are very good. These are some shelled sunflower seeds. These are some Nutter Puffs. These are chocolate peanut butter flavored puff snacks, and they are very delicious. This is the Otis Spunkmeyer double chocolate loaf cake. These are what Otis Spunkmeyer has been making instead of the muffins, and I can only find these in the East Coast, and I'm super happy that I found them because they are delicious. These are some limited edition Lay's Wavy Funyun flavored chips. These are some Hers deep dish flavored cheese curls. They are very delicious as well. These are some Snyder's Twisted Sour Cream and Onion pretzel sticks. Very addictive and very delicious. These are the Cheez-It Snapped. These are the garlic parmesan flavor. These are limited edition flavor. These are some salt and vinegar Pringles. This is a family-sized bag of salt and vinegar potato chips. These are some garlic parmesan pretzel crisps. And these are some mini milk chocolate M&Ms. Very delicious, especially when watching shows on Hulu. Wonderful snack for movie night or TV show binging. They are perfection, as are all of these snacks. I really hope you enjoyed watching this snack haul for September 2021. Let me know in the comments what your favorite snacks are. I'd love to know. I'd love it if you would give this video a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell to turn on your post notifications so you don't miss out on any of my amazing, fantastic, wonderful, fun uploads that I have to share. I upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and I don't want you to miss any of them. I would also love it if you would follow me on my social media. My Instagram is Comedy Creation. I love to share library hauls, book reviews, and fantastic food photos. Follow me on Twitter. I love playing hashtag games, but what I love even more is interacting with each and every one of you incredibly inspirational individuals. You mean the world to me. And the newest addition to my social media is my Facebook page. My Facebook page is Papa Apple. I love to share book reviews, and I share my latest YouTube videos on there as well. The first book review that I'm going to be sharing on my Facebook page will be for the Babysitters Club. I am super excited to share with you because I love the Babysitters Club series and the Babysitters Club Little Sister series as well. Thank you so much for watching this snack haul for September 2021. I hope that you enjoyed it. I can't wait to see you in my next video, subbies. Until then, sensational smiles go for miles. Be sure to subscribe and stay a while. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, subbies.